Most people are completely missing out on the Whop clipping gold rush, while teenagers are making tens of thousands of dollars a month without any special skills or connections. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to tap into this insane opportunity where you're literally able to do work for celebrities and influencers like Conor McGregor, The Kid Leroy, Nelk, Lil Tecca, Rich the Kid, Quavo, Waka Flocka, and Iman Ghazi without needing any previous experience or technical knowledge. I'll break down the step-by-step system I've been tracking that's generating life-changing income for ordinary people and show you how to position yourself before this opportunity closes. First, let me show you some real examples of what's happening right now so that you can see the potential for yourself. Looking right here at Drewski's campaign, it reached 40 million views with $14,000 going straight to Clippers. I know people who are consistently earning $20,000 a month doing this as a side project. Looking at Lil Tecca's campaign, they paid out $14,500. Imagine being able to clip up music from famous rappers or fighting clips from UFC champions. These guys already get tons of views and you just need to be the one posting it. What makes clipping so different from other online opportunities? For one, you're working with content that already has an audience. Unlike UGC where you're starting from zero, or influencer marketing where you need followers. Clipping offers already existing popularity. You're shortening content that people already want to see and making it easier to digest. There's also something really cool about being able to say, you clip for Conor McGregor or The Kid Leroy. The easy access is what makes this super special. You can start on your phone or laptop from anywhere, anytime, and the money you can make grows as you continue to clip for these big names. The system is very straightforward. Creators set up budgets for their content reward campaigns, and when your clips generate views, you earn directly from that budget. And what's super dope is watching these campaigns evolve. Nelk's campaign is in full swing right now. The Kid Leroy just launched his campaign last week. These high-profile names naturally draw viewers, which means your clips have a much higher chance of generating high view count compared to starting with unknown content. Let me walk you through how this works. When you go to whop.com, set up an account and select Discover on the left-hand side. Scroll down in the Discover tab and you'll see Content Rewards. There, it's showing you all the active campaigns. I love sorting it by most paid out because it shows the campaigns that are generating the most revenue for Clippers currently. When you select someone like Conor McGregor or The Kid Leroy, you can review their content requirements and then find moments that really connect with the viewers. Then using simple tools like CapCut, you can improve upon these moments with retention editing, appropriate music, and strategic captions. Once posted, you earn anywhere from 50 cents to $4 per 1,000 views. When a clip reaches 1 million views, for example with $1, that's potentially $1,000 for that single piece of content. The math becomes pretty simple when you're consistent. Look at Conor McGregor's. He's paid out $12,000 and he has $2,500 left. You could potentially get 1,000 to 2,000 of that, and if he re-ups his budget, you could be a consistent clipper for Conor McGregor. And since he's running out of money, if I was you, I would jump on that opportunity right now. There's so many other big names like this that have a set budget that you could potentially make thousands of dollars on. The results I'm seeing are unreal. Students are covering their education costs. Young teens are earning more from clipping than their crappy jobs. One clipper I know generated $7,000 in their first month with Drewski's content. With The Kid Leroy now on the platform, an artist whose music gets hundreds of millions of streams, the landscape has expanded in a crazy way. And what's really interesting is that the market isn't even saturated yet. There's still this perfect balance where the demand for high quality clippers exceeds the current supply, creating this sweet spot of opportunity. If you're interested in exploring this, now is an awesome time. Go to whop.com, take a look at those content reward campaigns. And for those who want to go a little bit deeper, you can also earn by referring others onto Whop, whether that's for course creation, community building, or just payment processing and financing. And with that, you can earn 30% of Whop's take rate for life, meaning any money that they process, you'll get 30% of those fees straight to your bank account. So if you want to learn more about that, check out the link in the description. You'll get direct access to me and our community, and you'll get a simple guide on maximizing your Whop earnings and a forum to connect with other people that are interested in the same opportunity as you. Like this video if you found it helpful. Definitely subscribe for more ways to make money on Whop, and comment clipping down below to let me know if you're going to take advantage of this opportunity. I'll see you in the next video.